Make a cake for my friend, her birthday. So vanilla flavor and vanilla whip also. So we will do this. I'm mixing 3 eggs and 1 cup of water, or 1 cup, or either 1 cup of water or 1 cup of milk. And then we need to put oil for half cup. That's it. Give this pack for our cake and 3 eggs, and then a cup of milk or water, then half cup of oil, and mix together. This is it. This is it. So done. So we will use these 2. Spray. So now, dip this one. We're asking those questions. I'm just saying, hey, sorry, how bad? And life goes on as well. These people's lives are left in complete ruin. We've seen this at the DOD too. There is absolutely no accountability. Yep. You're done. 2. Now we're ready to put in the oven, bake it for at least 29 minutes for 350 Fahrenheit. Turn the lid. It was set for the cooking. 29 minutes. Start to cook. Okay. So it's in there, my vanilla. Okay. We will put the icing a little cold now. We'll just stir here. Okay. Just stir. Yep. Oh, hurry. Delicious. Who would have thought that cartels would be responsible for one of the biggest resources that we need on this earth, the depletion of our water? So, we have icing here, vanilla. Just mix this, mix the vanilla. For my friend's birthday, I baked vanilla cake. It's already ready. Ready cold, so we're ready to rumble. So we'll just dip this, half of this, half of this. Okay. So now we can do that.
bread knife.
And unfortunately, those that are queuing up and they try to
Okay.
are waiting years and years and years.
I will do
These
this.
people might get in the next month or two and be on their way. I don't know. But these are people that are being taken advantage of. These are people that are
Right here.
run by the system. Samaritan's Purse isn't making a determination whether these are good people, bad people, whether they should be helped or not helped. We just help everybody. And this is just a little part of the world where there's a lot of human suffering taking place, and we're trying to help those that are there. A lot of them are living children, as you saw. And when you see unaccompanied minors risking their life to go to a very dangerous part of the world and try to get into the United States, then you just put your access to work.
Oh, I'm sloppy. So we will do see yesterday where I go.
And I will tell you this because you weren't on this particular trip. We were in Dakota a while back together on the board in Columbia. But I will tell you this: you have a very dedicated, hardworking staff working around the clock and doing incredible work to help people. Reverend Franklin Grant, thank you very much for joining me, sir.
Thank you, brother.
Icing going down. Slide it.
Everybody's reporting the same stories, the same spin. You turn the channel, it's always the same. But not us, we're different. We report the real news, no spin, just the facts. Turn to us.
And this we will put later more icing in the top. Slide it down. Slide it down. Just slide it down. Let's see it. Yep.
I saw results in my first
We know grocery prices are out of control. We're here to help. Order right now to lock in our special discount offer. Get over 50% off plus free extras. Get free protein shakes, a free shaker bottle, and free shipping. That's over $40 in extra savings, and it can be yours right now.
Get some more icing in here. So slide it and the sideways of the cake.
He always came out to protect the innocent. That was his passion. The time we got home from the hospital, my son at the time 15, he asked me, Mama, are we going to be able to leave the house? Are you
Just slide it.
work?
Now there.
My children.
Side.
Detective Joseph
Okay, slide it.
we are going to
Slide it.
Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Now, I'm ready to see it again. Visit mytepesa.com to find a TBI specialist and to see Bridget's before and after photos.
Thanks for watching our special edition of The Record. We'll see you right back here tomorrow night.
So make more. Okay.
Republicans set to get rolled on deck.
It's one cake. So we will shoot later. Another one. And just
Well, the rock trip tonight, no better time
put
to
here directly.
stealing deal than
So I want
few people are paying attention. Republicans set to hold the House on
it.
COVID stories.
And
the IRS
But
budget,
it's
and
okay.
some minor changes to welfare requirements.
We finally were able to cut spending. We're the first Congress to vote for cutting spending year over year. So you cut that back. You fully fund veterans. You fully fund defense. But you take that non-defense spending all the way back lower than 22 levels. Now you get work requirements for TANF and staff work. You can't say that was a red line.
All of that sounds great in a soundbite. Doesn't actually do much to fix this massive problem that we have. And actual fiscal Republicans are pointing out the very obvious. This 2-year deal will add $4 trillion more to our national debt. That's what the holdout was over. Still $4 trillion more in just a couple of years. Although the pandemic is over, the spending insanity that was ushered in by COVID-19 is evidently here to stay. This is one of those rare moments where party really doesn't really matter at all anymore. And those moments are increasingly less rare, by the way. Both political parties love spending your money. The DC Uniparty, as they call it, exposing itself once again. Very few actually want to make government smaller in this country and spend less of your money and give you more of your money back. Such as Senator Rand Paul, who is actually
So if it's political suicide, that means that the American people are not prepared to
put
That's what it means. Political suicide means you won't get a vote. I don't remember the first person to have said it, but it might have been said actually in ancient Greece. It might have been said
something like a
in modern West. The day politicians realized that they could buy votes is the end of democracy, is the beginning of the end of democracy as we know it. This is the fatal flaw, and I'm very pro-democracy. There's nothing better that I know of, except actually what America created, which was a republic rather than a democracy. But nevertheless, the moment you have direct vote, people will allow themselves to have their votes bought with benefits. This is the tragedy of the human condition, and it was exactly why the founders founded the country with the proposition that freedom is not possible without limited government. But most Americans, most French, and everybody else do not want limited government.
Something like a design.
That's exactly right. Yeah.